Parang, ewan ko, sinasadya mo ata yun. Alam mo yun, hindi?
Hindi. Tulog ako.
Oo nga. Ako hindi na panapanaginip ko lang.
It's just masaya kasi you... Ano? Anong lasa? Sarap, Bigel. Sarap? Anong arena?
Hindi dapat lasang harina yan eh.
Kasi ano yan? Arena.
Ang flour.
Ano? Hansen? Pareho sa isang...
Ibigan mo.
Anong arena?
Hindi dapat lasang harina yan eh.
Ah. Ako
Talaga naman.
Ano yan? Tara.
Pati ka ng spoon yan?
Ayoko. Ito.
Okay. Wow.
Ako rin. Umay nila dyan.
Anong show mo ulit?
Hindi ka ba nakakatikim? Yung somay dito?
Wait, show mo. Ano yan ulit?
Masarap yan.
Somay, yung...
Show pao?
No, not the sopa, but somay.
Wait, anong itsura? Siguro natikman ko.
Parang putong maliit. Pero,
And it has
alam
little,
mo,
it has sesame seeds on it. And then may fillings
naman,
sa
ang naman sa loob.
It's like creamy, is it? Or chewy.
Hindi.
You like it?
Bad. No fire.
No, naintindihan naman na.
Off the thing,
I
no?
did.
No, pero before it got
It was still white.
super hot.
And then I took it out when it was still white.
And then take it out
And
when
it burnt. It went so fast. It's like, what the fuck is going on here? Never cooked that
Okay
before.
lang yan, there's no low fire here. That's why I was kind of like, oh, can't we cook over there? But okay, man.
I never burned anything.
You know, no! You know walang chow.
Si Kim, di ba lagi-lagi nakakasunog?
Lalo na dito.
Palagi, and then she's like, it's okay.
Okay, sarap.
Alam mo, walang chow sa steak.
Wala doon?
Sana meron pero
Kawhari,
wala.
ganyan. It's Filipino
Oo.
brand. Filipino yun.
Grabe,
Talaga?
sarap. But it's not just, you don't like it?
I don't like all of their food.
Ako rin, hindi lahat, pero meron akong gusto.
I don't
Oh.
like their siomai.
There's-
I've had
That's what
Ang sarap kaya nun!
she was gonna say.